All right, what's happening, everybody? It's your boy Creative. Go ahead, say it with me. We are back at it again to do what? To create something great. Now, today I'm super excited what I have planned for y'all. We're going to be paper trading our bots today. Had a bit of technical issues that I had to resolve earlier, but don't worry, we're Gucci. All of our bots are good. They're running. I'm going to be going over the market as well because a couple of interesting things did happen. I just had to do some admin stuff. Hold on. And there we go. All right, Gucci. So a couple of things. Market has been open for the past 5 minutes. I'm looking at SPY. SPY is the S&P 500, the top 500 companies within the New York Stock Exchange. Don't worry, we're going to go back to our bots. So 5 minutes. Each one of these candlesticks represents 5 minutes of actions, right? The sixth one just populated. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when the market opened, it opened a bit bearish, right? But as you can see right now, it is trying to find its way back. We do have a bit of rejection that is going on. That's why you're seeing these wicks, right? And then we have the bears that are trying to push the price down through support levels. And then QQQ opened up a bit of a squeeze, right? And now it is on that bearish decline. Where's VIX at right now? And VIX is the volatility index. VIX is at 19. So you see that squeeze populating, that squeeze forced it to be able to go down. That always doesn't happen, but this is just what happened today. So let's just go around looking our bots, just making sure they're Gucci. This is the second chance bot. Second chance bot trades QQQ. And what it does, it is a moving average crossover bot. This bot trades anywhere from 9:32 a.m. to 11:22. So right now it's still looking for a signal. The market is a bit choppy right now, so I can understand why it hasn't found anything. But once it does find its C legs, it'll be interesting to see how that goes. Then we have Easy Reader. Easy Reader is our momentum breakout bot. This bot trades, so you can see it a little bit more. This bot trades QQQ, and this is a momentum breakout bot. So momentum either on a bullish or bearish. So right now this bot trades from 9:31 to 10:58. So it is looking for signals right now, and as soon as it finds it, it will let us know. Go back to your spot. Good deal. And this is the bot that we created yesterday with y'all live. This bot is trading today for the first time. So this is the inaugural time that this bot is trading. This is our failed breakout bot. We created this with y'all yesterday, Sunday, the 22nd. Okay, we just had our first trade. Meaning we have a couple trades. Damn. Damn. So we got in, we made our money, and we got out. That is what's up. So this bot, Meanie is our QQQ mean reversion bot. I want to just look at what happened. So this bot trades, this is Meanie I'm talking about. This bot trades QQQ. This is our mean reversion bot that uses RSI and candlesticks rejection. It did find a call. It was able to get into the call, and then it filled it at 87, right? So we're betting that the market is going to go up. We're bullish on the market. We did get a bit of an improvement, and then we were able to make our money in less than a second, right? So it went from 87 to $1. So we made $13 on this trade, 14 depending on how you take it. And right now, okay, I thought I was about to select a call, but it's in the market right now. So I do have our trade report that we can keep up with it. So it's 98. So it went from 88 to 98. So we did get a bit, 87 to 1. So there was a bit of improvement with the price. So I can appreciate that. Where did I stop off? So, I was just talking about the failed breakout bot. This is the bot that we created yesterday. You know what? I forgot something. Give me 2 shakes of a second. 2 shakes of a second. I forgot to get y'all laced. Give me a second. All right, Gucci. Let me know if that's too loud. But nonetheless, this is our failed breakout bot that we created live with y'all yesterday. So I'm super excited to see how this bot is going to trade. This bot trades the S&P 500. That is the top 500 companies within the New York Stock Exchange. So right now it hasn't found any signals, but that's okay. It is on its fourth scan. So let's just let this bot go. Then we have Gappy. Gappy is our gap. So our FVG bot, right? Our fair gap inversion bot. This bot trades QQQ. It trades from 9:31 to 11:58, and no signals as of yet. So we just had one trade on the board. So we're up right now. This is our high frequency trading bot. This bot trades QQQ, and it uses EMA and KAMA. Sometimes I get those confused, but nonetheless, this bot hasn't found any signals so far. And sometimes with this, even though it says stale, 60 seconds old, you got to take that with a grain of salt. Even though I still want it, but you still have to take that with a grain of salt. All right, and if just a few, penny for you, come talk to me nice. So penny for you. This bot is currently, penny for you is our momentum breakout bot. This bot trades SPY. It is currently in a position right now, and I may have to drive the boat, but let's see. We got in at, okay. Let's go, baby. So this bot got in at, it found a call. It got in at, or put, excuse me. So it's bullish on the market. It got in at, damn, you use all the money because all of our bots start at $100. So this bot used 99 of the 100, and was able to profit 10%, right? So it went from, let me go double check it with our trade report. So double checking it with our trade report, we can see the bot got in at 99, then it left at 110. So another beautiful trade, and this was a put. So we went from being bullish to bearish on the market. That's penny for you. Wait, you're having a problem? Bruv, I was just about to like congratulate y'all, be like, man, we got no issues, but bruv, hold on. I need to go bring in Claude Code real quick so I can fix this issue. If you would give me 2 shakes of a second. And that's what's up, bruv. Like, our bots are doing work. Excuse me. All right. I need you to read. Oh, so y'all want to see what I'm doing. I need to fix this issue, so I'm going to jump over to Claude Code. I'm using the 4.6 Office model. Let me go to that bot specifically. Read. Then let's find out what this issue is before we address it. Is this a warning or a clear issue? Advise. All right, so while you're figuring that bit out, I still have to make my rounds. Penny for you, already looked at you. You are. All right, Meanie's in a position. Let's go take a look. Meanie is, where are you? What are you? What are you? A call. So Meanie is bullish on the market. We're currently up 3.6%, and we exited via a trail, and I'm fine with that, right? You don't, because you don't go broke doing what? Taking a profit. So Meanie was bullish on the market. Let me go look at the trade report real quick. It came in at 84, got out at 85. I'm fine with that. If the market turns against us, let's just go ahead and take our money and clear it. No problem with that, fam. And this, ooh, okay, this is penny for you. I gotta figure out how did I do this? Like, it looks like it's 2 running. Yeah. I gotta figure out how I did that. I hope it's not a problem. I don't think it's a problem, but that's interesting. The bot is fine if you want to. No, okay, the bot is fine. It was just a little technical because if I go to Lotto, so the bot is fine. This was just penny for use information. Let me go to Range Baby. Range Baby, this bot trades QQQ. This is a squeeze breakout bot. So you're currently looking, we got no signals from you. This is another squeeze breakout bot that we have, trades QQQ. Okay, you haven't found anything, so I'm gonna let you go ahead and do your thug dizzle. I would love if you just go back to your spot and just hang out there. Hang out in your area. I appreciate you. Star Baby. All right, just started. This is a bot that I kind of want to keep my eye out on just to make sure, because since I started it on Valentine or relaunched it on Valentine, it hasn't been as active. So just got to keep my eye out on that. Let me go look at our failed breakout bot. So it is working. I don't see any errors. I mean, I can appreciate that. We do see it scanning. We do see the information coming through. So there aren't any errors with the bot. It's just looking for a signal. And the market's only been open for about 16 minutes. We had 3 trades so far. And with these trades, okay, somebody's in a position. Who's in position? Gappy is in a position. Where are you? All right, so Gappy damn. All right, Gappy was in a position. You made $3, and the market turned against us. Because the market turned against us, we exited the position. We were bullish on the position. We got in at 75 or 83, and then we got out at 77. So we wait. Let me go double check. Let's go to our trade report. I don't know why you're tripping right now. Why does it look like that? All right, let me see if I do this. Does that help it? I don't know, probably not. All right, so Gappy got in at 83, got out at 87. So it was a bit of a profit. But just the market turned against us and we had to clear it about that position. Oh, look at that. Easy about to jump into one. Let's just go look at the market real quick to see what it's. I know, bruv. I know. Thank you. Let's see what the market. The market is just on a little bit of a downward turn right now. Hold on. You have a position open, fam. So Easy is in a call. We are bullish on the market. It got in at 75. It's currently at 74. And let's see how well this does. All right, here you go. Find your sea legs. Find your sea legs. I may have to drive the boat with this one. It's trying to find its sea legs. I'm not going to hold you. From what I'm seeing right now, from where we came from. Oh, shit. Get out. Get out. Get out. Make your name clear, bro. This bot went from 78 to 86. So made a nice little $7 and change, right? Sometimes you got to drive the boat. I'm not going to hold you. So Easy went from 78 to 86. So we're doing kind of a good job today. I'm not going to hold you. We had to do a lot of fixes this weekend because I noticed that most of our bots had a slippage problem. Most of our bots had calculation issues. Most of our bots were just, I don't know, folding, bruv. So I had to take some time to be able to figure out how to get them better, how to actually make them work the way I need to, right? Because sometimes there's just A bit of an inconvenience, fam. I'm not gonna hold you, right? But we're able to get it better. It looks like you're trying to get into a position right now. So this is it, man. We are legit paper trading in this thing. We are doing it proper. If y'all do have any questions, please let me know. I kind of like this. Okay, wait, what? Damn it. Damn it. I got the first issue that I need to go fix. Let's fix for kid. See, there's no attribute issue that I need to go fix real quick. So well, that's what's up. I'm seeing. All right, the no attribute. You're saying it's truncated. Here it is. Yo, good morning. How we doing? I hope all is well. We are back at it again with paper trading. I hope you're having a great day, Pascal. Just a couple of little issues I need to fix, review, and well, let's fix this issue. But I hope you're having a great day. You had a fantastic weekend. Have a lot of great things planned for y'all this week. But honestly, this weekend I couldn't really stream that much because I had a couple of issues that I had to fix with our bots. But nonetheless, they're Gucci, they're fixed. Now it's just a matter of being able. Okay, thank you. Have them trade proper. So what I'm doing right now, I have an issue with oh, you're already there. That's what's up. Were you there already? Yes, you were. So I have an issue with early worm that I need to fix. Not early worm, kid 2 times. Let me verify the weight. So how's your journey going, my man? How's things going with the prediction markets? Or how's your, okay, thank you, but that's not gonna work. Okay, here we go. We're Guopiter. All right, the bot is Gucci now. Sometimes there's just a few issues that we need to fix. Thank you. I'll drive the boat. That's why I always like to have a Claude code session up. Nah, but we're having a great day today, man. Like, I'm finally happy. Like, we worked out all of the, I mean, you don't know if there's a new bug, but like all these lingering bugs that I had with our bots, like I was able to address them all this weekend. And like all of our bots right now, if you want to see, are, I knock on wood, like batting 1,000 right now. Our mean reversion bot was able to get into a position, got out, make some money. Our SPY bot was able to make some money. Another mean reversion bot right here. And then we have Gappy was able to make some money. So all of our bots are like printing in the green right now. It's just a matter of being able to see like how consistent it's going to be. I mean, the market's only been open for 23 minutes. So fingers crossed that this is going to be the new wave for us. Like we finally cracked this. So just taking a peek at the market real quick. Looking at QQQ. QQQ is still on a little bearish slide. It's trying to find its way back to its average, but as soon as it finds its way back to its 20-minute average, it's looking like it's being rejected. The bulls are trying to push the price up, but there's rejection that we're seeing here. How do I know it's rejection? Because these wicks that are poking out the candle, right? So they're trying to push the price up. This is the only beautiful big body that we're seeing here. Another one, but again, the price is being rejected a little bit more, and the bears are, I'm not going to say firmly in control, but every time it tries to move to its 20-minute average, so I'm going to call this the resistance line, it gets rejected, right? So it's hanging out between the 20-minute average and, yeah, it's at 605 right now. Let me look at something. This is another file that I created. This allows me to be able to see, all right, just a little bit more context about what's going on in the market. And another thing that I really like about it is I added historical context, right? So I have 6, maybe 7 years of QQQ SPY data that I've added into this market context scanner. So what it does is like looking at bar chart, but it allows us to be able to see, all right, the market is a bit on a downwards turn right now, right? We have VIX that's a little bit elevated. We're bringing in the PC ratio, and I can agree that we are on a bit of a bearish turn. It lets me know the trends. 1 minute ago, SPY speeding up, QQQ is speeding up. Today's high, today's low. Okay, sentiment. Then we have VS history. So it's quite comprehensive with what it's giving me. So that's why I like to be able to keep this up as well while we're trading. So I'm just going to bring this to the other screen and just keep this here. Let me go back and take a peek at the market. All right, nobody's doing anything. Everybody's still holding position. Yeah, QQQ is just trying to find its sea legs right now. I know, bruv. I know. Same thing for SPY. Damn. But this is more of a bearish turn right now. What the heck is going on right now? Let me go look at MSNBC. Powerful. Oh, I forgot about that. So here's another thing, how like the world impacts our markets, right? So this could just happen in Mexico. I think this is what impacting the market right now. Then we have rapid intensity in, okay, winter storms are still a thing. Isn't that because the groundhog is looked at himself during Groundhog Day? EU hits the brakes on the U.S. trade deal. Yeah. JP Morgan concedes exposed Trump's accounts after the January 6th account. That's what's up. Okay, TSA remain optional, refund. Okay. MSNBC, bro. Why does this look different? Let me just go to FT real quick. I know this is going to give me what I need. Okay, stock slip and gold gains as the trade. Okay, so that's what's going on. That's crazy. Novo Disk shares drop after poor trial results on the new obesity drug. Everybody wants to get into that. AI threatens enterprise software company, says Franklin Templeton CEO. But why? Why wouldn't it help you? I never understood like the adverse, whatever. Let me just keep my thoughts to myself with that. Uber launches an autonomous vehicle service venture in the robo-taxi push. Private equity logjams hits record as firms struggle to sell. Guild to bike. Okay. Yeah, so market is right now just trying to find its sea legs, bro. We got a lot going on with the market. I thought about a 0 DTE put 680 SPY. That, let's look at it. What's making you go to that level? You said 680 0 DTE. That'll be interesting. SPY right now is at 686. If we're looking at the historical context, the best hour SPY is 9 a.m. So right now 9 to 10. Worst hour is, what is that, 1? Today's usually high. Okay, let me go look. That's an interesting bet, but again, I think that this is just a little bit of morning volatility that we're looking at right now. I think it is consolidating a bit downward right now, but I think it's going to find its sea legs and bounce right back up. I think this is just everything that happened over the weekend. You have VIX that is soaring right now, and we understand that VIX and SPY has an inverse relationship. So when you see VIX is popping, you're going to see SPY down right now. So I don't know. I mean, it's depending on how you play it. I think that, again, this is not financial advice. If you want financial advice, please make sure you do your research yourself. But I think that may be an interesting one. That's a little out of the money, right? Because SPY currently is at 686. So that is a little bit of a lottery play. But I still think, depending on how you handle it, and if you're doing it yourself, or if you're letting a bot do it for you, that it may make sense. Have we have any 6? That's an interesting. Oh, you're up 100%. Excuse me. Guess what you don't want to do? Just take your profit, fam. Take your. How did you trade it? Did you trade it by hand, or was it a bot who did it for you? Call. So this bot's trying to find a. Damn, that's super out of the money, bro. 608 call. Yeah, because I think the market is going to bounce right now. I'm not going to hold you. Yeah, super interesting. I mean, kudos, big ups to you, bro, because that really looks like today is going to be a green day. It is just a green, like as far as my portfolio is concerned, but red maybe as far as the market is concerned. I did it 5 minutes ago on the top of the first push and got it super. Yeah, no, definitely you did. Especially 680. 680 is already out of the money. And it's just, you don't have to say yes or no, but this is just me deducing just based off of what I know, right? So 680 is out of the money. So I'm thinking that you probably paid anywhere between like 15 and at the max 40 bucks for it. And then for you to be up 100%, you probably doubled your money on that. So like, shout out to you for being able to jump into that real quick. And I think it makes sense, right? But again, I thought something happened. I'm just cautious about being able to do it myself, because I love being able just to have the bots do it. It's like, all right, go out there, go make me money. 11 cents each. Wait, it was that cheap? That makes sense. Excuse me. Yeah, you said you bought it 5 minutes ago, so like around 9:40, 55-ish. Yeah, no, make your money, bruv. And this is something you did manually. Okay. Squeeze baby's in a position. It just found a squeeze. We're currently up about 1% right now. Okay, 2. All right. Take me to the moon, baby. Take me to the moon. My fault. All right. So let's look at this. So this bot got in at 81. Bruv, you barely made a profit. Let me go look at this. This bot got in at, oh, you lost money. Our first losing trade got in at 81 and it got out at 80. I need to go figure out what, and this was a call, so we're betting that the market was going to go up. All right, and I definitely had to implement this little cool down because you used to chase a lot. Okay. You should be Gucci. And there's a couple new things. Okay, what is this? But you should be fine because I see you running right now. Pretend gate, no signals today. All right, so that's interesting. We had our first, just a lottery play, going 500%. Yeah, nah, definitely. That definitely sounds like what that was. And this was just like something you did on Robinhood, right? Or Webull. Don't tell me this was a prediction market. This was a prediction market? That, I think, when you're saying 11 cents each, sorry, I got it at 19 cents. This was prediction market, right? Or is this like an actual option contract? Because I'm thinking even for 680. Okay. Oh, Webull. So it's the actual option contract. All right. That's what's up, bruv. I'm more partial to Robinhood myself. I think Webull is just a little bit complicated for no reason. But like if you're used to it, you're used to it. But I'm a little partial to Robinhood. But that's what's up, bruv. And you're still holding on to it? bro, make your money and go. Oh, maybe you bought multiple contracts. So that's the thing. You bought multiple contracts and you're just maybe like 10 or even a little bit more, and you're just holding on to your runners right now. So you made money, you're holding on to your runners. I hope that's what you're doing. All right, squeeze, baby. And we have range about to get into a position too. So we got two positions that just opened up. Squeeze, baby, found a, let me go make sure. We have a put, so you went from call to put right now, and we are up about $2. This should do a little bit of a better job of being able to like let us know. I thought I added the rec. Oh shit, we're up $7 right now, bro. Make your money and go. Nope. Yep. I'm driving the boat. I'm driving the boat. That's what's up, bro. Low $12 trade. That's not bad at all. So this bot was able to go from 69 to 80. I think I fixed most of the problems that I was kind of suffering from, like this early part of trading. Because one thing I used to notice, I'm like, bro, why are all my bots losing? And it wasn't because of the strategy itself. It was just because of fucking, I'm up 230, going to close out. That's crazy. 230% is kind of already ridiculous within itself. I would say if you have multiple contracts, fam, like make some money and then leave your runners. Let me go look at SPY. Wait. Are you having a problem? Okay, options. Okay, you just let me know it's just too expensive. Let me go look at SPY. Yeah, you caught it. But again, the bulls are trying to push it right back up. So I don't know, fam. I don't know. Just looking live at the market because the bulls are on the way of being able to push it right back up. So I'm thinking just go ahead and make your money and clear it. Like I like to do plays like that sometimes, but not all the time. Like right now, I'm thinking about buying like a super out of the money call for QQQ, because I think it's going to bounce. I really do think it's going to bounce. Like it's finding, as soon as it gets to the it's 20 minutes support. Yeah, I think it's going to bounce and find its way back, bruv. Okay, that's kind of trash though. I'm gonna look at that in a bit. I got a stop loss at 100. Oh, but why 100? Why not up that stop loss? Why not have a stop loss at like 150? 100 is like you gave back too much money. Have your stop loss at like 150, 175, even 200. I don't want to give back too much money. I understand being able to give it room to breathe, but bruv, you don't want to give back too much money. All right, kid. Let me see what you screaming. We just opened up a call, so we are bullish on the market right now. We are up 2.3%, 2.6, excuse me. Find your sea legs, fam. Find your sea legs. Oh, we are down a bit with this position. Failed to get barred. That's the one thing I got to figure out. All right, come on, baby. Don't be the first one. Oh, waiting for the limit, Phil. Stop loss. Okay, it's moving against us, so we just stop lost it. All right. I get it. Got in at 81.73. So our first real major loss today was from Kid. And this was, we were betting against the market, right? Because he was saying that the market, he trades QQQ. And I'm not bullish on QQQ yet. I'm a little bit more bearish on it. So that's interesting. that is interesting how you're able to get that to play. How's it looking right now, Pascal? Okay, we're Gucci. Let me go look at this failed breakout bot. I've seen a couple failed breakouts myself, fam. I don't know why you're not seeing anything. I've seen a couple, bruv. Alright, they wanted to put eyes on me. Wait, are you having problems? Failed to get cool. Oh, shit. Damn it. Alright, let me go fix you. This is Rangy, baby. Why didn't you say something before, bro? Review and let's fix. I would appreciate. I know how to figure another way, like when these bots have issues, so they can like tell me without having to like, all right, because I'm fixing it right now why it's having this little float issue, but I would rather it like let me know rather than it me being a little bit reactive to it. So let me come here. You are definitely cutting that short. Yeah, because it's supposed to be. All right, bro. You're right. Come on. All right, let me do this. Let me come here. Come on, baby, talk to me nice. And I'm gonna go afterwards, being able to inventory our failed breakout bot just to make sure we're not missing any trades for this one. If it's actually not finding a signal, that's Gucci. Okay, the bug chain returns 8 digits. The parallel fetch code is reading with a 20, but the final. All right. Bet. So range baby is good. All right, so you're Gucci. Who am I gonna go look at now? Failed breakout. What I want to go do now is just go review our Never mind. Easy, talk to me nice. Easy, talk to me nice, my man. So we have two positions open. We have Easy, and then we also have Kid 2-time. Kid, you gotta make up for it. Where you at, Kid? So Kid is up 4% right now, and then Easy's still trying to find his C legs. All right, easy. Come on. All right, I think I got to drive the boat because easy was up. Now it's down. Kid is trying to find his legs. Okay, so you got out of it. Oh shit! Never mind. You made money. Hold on, I'm gonna come to you in a minute. Give me a second. Let me see what you screaming here, bro. Come on, baby. Damn, it just went kind of flat. Why doesn't this bot have any trails? Oh, making money and close the position. Thank you. Let's make our money and clear it. I want to go look at easy real quick. It got in at 78 and it got out at 104. Let me confirm that. 104.78. Hell of a trade, fam. It's a beautiful trade. Failed to get you away. Are you having problems? But you got into the trade. Are you having issues, fam? Wait. Belongs to kid. But it was able to get into the position. P&L. That doesn't make sense. You got 104. You got in at 78. Oh, total. Okay, I gotta. That math is not mathing right there. There was an error that I seen that I'm just looking for. There it is. Failed to get the final order status. The object of UDD is not a JSON sterilizable. Okay. Time. All right. Let me. All right. So now it's on his retry. Block, strike zone, block. So what I added to the bots as well is that I noticed that sometimes that their positions or their signals will be valid for like 30 seconds, right? Before, I wouldn't have them retry to see if they could get into the position. Okay, now he retried, he couldn't get in. So I added where they can retry and be able to get into the position. I think that error was something that was able to get it. Yeah, who you tell it? I am. Let me go look at SPY real quick. It's been these past couple minutes flat, bruv. Even though the bulls right now are trying to push it back towards the average, SPY right now is flat. I still think it's on a little bearish decline. The reason I'm going to say flat, right, is because we're having too much rejection. Oh, there you go. The bulls, bears just took back over. So they're trying to push the price up, but they're not getting that much support, right? Whoever steps in is like, oh, okay, there you go. Now you're getting volume support. Now you're getting a lot more people active into the market. I guess they're just waiting for their optimal zones. As soon as they found that, it was like, all right, bet, let's go ahead and jump in. You found a hell of a play today. I'm not going to hold you. You found a heck of a play. So let me just go around and just review our bots real quick. This is another one. Oh. Evening star detected. I've been waiting for you to find. Ah, freaking A. Then we had an error. Bruh, my fault. So this is an error on me. Dang, I'm glad I went to come here to go. Okay. I need to come here. Drop you. review, and let's fix this issue here. Damn, bruv, my fault. I ain't mean to hold you back. I did not mean to hold you back, bro. Let me verify that any unused option type 0 was referenced anywhere else in the same function. All right. Get me right, fam. Get me right. I would appreciate that. I would appreciate that. My fault. I have to keep forgetting that there's okay, bet. Alright, so you're Gucci. Went to you. Let me go to Squeeze. Squeeze already had a couple of positions that it ran. Alright, you're Gucci. Range Baby had an issue that I needed to fix, but that's already resolved. So now you're Gucci. Kid 2 times. Alright, let me see if I see any errors. Okay. No signal crossover. Okay. And then Lotto Baby. This is another bot that trades SPY for me. This hasn't found anyone, and this is just straight signals, right? Excuse me, straight price movement. There isn't really any indicators. Range Baby, I was just talking about you. Damn, Range Baby. You made your money and you cleared it, huh? You said, you know what? I just want to make my money, because it got into a call and then the market moved against us. So it got in at 63 and then we got out 66. So we did make a bit of a profit, right? But if the market moves against us, all of our bots have it that they can automatically exit rather than just like hoping and dreaming. I'm seeing errors here. This is from the data providers. Why am I having 429? Okay. This is like super interesting. Meanie, come talk to me nice. There you go. So we have our mini bot that's in a position. It's currently up $4 right now, $3, and it exited. How did you exit? Did you exit via TP, or did you take profit, or did the market move against us? So this bot made $16 today, 100% in its win rate, right? So I'm not going to force this and have you trade again. What I'm going to do is just have you sit, and I appreciate you for 52 minutes, 100%, and made 16 bucks. These are the trades. We have 2 trailing stops and then a TP hit, right? All right, beautiful. So there's that 60. Oh, you said 680. I was at 608. Well, this is QQQ, so it's a little different. Never mind. I already looked at Lotto. Oh, Penny for You was the next one. I kind of did something here, and I don't know how I did it, where I have like 2 different terminals in one. I got to figure out how I did that, fam. And this is, I mean, this is kind of interesting, but it can be kind of confusing. So I gotta figure out how I did that. Maybe I could just do this. Be like, all right, this is what this bot does, and just have it trade. That's interesting. You see, I'm having all these 429 issues from Schwab, but I'm not supposed to be having them, bro. Yeah, I gotta go figure out. On the right, the scroll, you should click on the box out. No, I kind of like it. I just want to figure out how I did it. I mean, that's fine. I just want to figure out how I did it. Like, I kind of like it. I just don't know what button I clicked to actually have it do this. Like, I know I can remove it, but I just want to figure out, like, how did I do it where maybe I can have all of our strategies do it. Like, on the top, it'll be a little bit more about the strategy, and like the bot is actually running here. So I kind of like this. I'm not going to hold you, but if I can figure out how I did it, bro, that'll be the icing on the cake. So that's something else I need to figure out. What I want to do now is I want to just deep dive into this failed breakout bot, this bot that I just created yesterday with y'all, because I'm noticing that every time I say this, somebody wants to jump into a trade. I mean, I'm not gonna hold you. I love it. Where is it? Where's Easy? So Easy just jumped into a trade. We are up 7.6% right now. 5.1. I may have to dry the boat. Then get out, fam. Damn, you let it, bro. That trailing Command D is usually this. Oh, thank you. Damn, bro. This trade could have been a little bit better. I'm not gonna hold you because we were up 7.6%, 8.9%. But the trailing activated. I don't know. I got to figure out this whole 5% below. I don't think I like it because I'm giving way too much back. If it was 2% below, I probably would have got out like 6.2 or whatever instead of getting out at 2.5. I mean, yeah, it's still a winning trade, but bro, it could have been better. So you said Command D. Let me try that. Command D. Holy shit. There it is. I thank you. That's what I'm going to do from now on. I appreciate you. Because number one, it gives context of what the bot is like, how it trades. And on the bottom here, I could just have the bot actually trading. Bro, I appreciate you. You laced me up with that one. Yeah, because I like it. It gives more context. Be like, oh, what does this bot do? Well, here it is. Appreciate that. I mean, does that help? Does that give context if I were to do something like that? Y'all like that view? I mean, I do. I think it gives like context of what the bot trades, and here's the actual trading right here. All right. Now what I need. Okay, this could be a little bit better on what you trade. So this is maybe not the best for you. Or I can just like update it to put it what it trades a little bit better, but I'm just gonna close that. You don't need that. All right, so I need to go run a few diagnostics with this bot and figure out like why hasn't it taken a signal yet, and maybe I just want to make sure there isn't anything no issues with the bot. So what I'm going to do is jump over to Cloud Code. Oh, I wonder. There was a position I was every single time, bro. Easy, talk to me nice. All right, we're currently down a bit. Let me see if you can make it up. Talk to me nice, baby. Talk to me nice. Still currently down a bit. All right. We're even right now. Not yet. We have a new peak. Yeah, let me go against this. Like it's sitting at that 1.1. Yeah, this is a stop loss. Is this your third trade? I mean, you're still up a bit, but still, I would have you just do it a bit better, bro. All right, let me go ahead and jump into like what I said I've been trying to do. Let me come here, copy. All right, read. Take you off plan mode. Then let's use to review today's trades. Oh, snap. I just found the issue. Okay, somebody's in a position. Kid. Come on, baby. We're currently down a bit. Come on, fight back. Fight back, baby, fight back. All right, while it's doing that, let me just get this ready. Do today's trades and find out if it is a market or code issue with this. Damn, you got, bro. That was a hell of a slip, dude. This is the thing I'm talking about with slipping, right? This bot got in, and as soon as it got in, it was down 6%. But it's fighting its way back right now, bro. I'm driving a boat. Yeah, but you had some ways to go. I'm just looking like it's fighting back. Okay, I'm driving the boat. Damn it. Yep, get me out. Get me out. Get me out. Thank you. All right, let's come back over here. Oh shit, y'all was there the whole time. Okay. Bro, you are on one right now. But as soon as you get in, we are down. I mean, you do find your way back. Maybe. I think we have a classic sign of chasing. This is what happens when you chase the market. We're chasing the market and we're trying to find our way back. I mean, yeah, it's finding C-Lex. All right, come on, push, baby, push. Oh, get me out. Get me out. I'm not even playing with you. This bot is kind of on one right now. I'm not going to hold you. Like, easy. I appreciate you, bro. Kid, you hit your limit. All right, let me just go ahead and stop you. I'm not over trading today. As soon as they hit their limits, because I usually restart them, I'm just stopping it. We're not over trading. All right, let you do your thing. All right, bet. Let's come here. Thresholds concern. Okay. Trades executed. Both of the patterns would have attempted to put up what they bug killed. Then we fixed that earlier. Market conditions. SPY super tight right now. Okay. Narrow range 2 detected had weak characteristics. Range, baby. Come talk to me. Are you serious right now with this? Like, I don't know what to do. Am I just supposed to? Okay, I'm just gonna stop you and fix this error, bro, because it's just. Damn, bro. All right. I'll come back and we'll figure that out. But review. Then let's fix the issues with range, baby. Let me make sure you close the position. Yes, you did. Bruh. So one's using seconds, one's using minutes. That's crazy. All right, Guapiter, thank you. Let me make sure you close the position. I'm pretty certain I heard it close. Yeah, range baby closed it. Even though for a little bit of a profit, you did close it. Okay. Oh, you looking for something? Is there an issue here? I kind of like this where it's giving me all this information. All right, you tried 600, 599, 680. Okay. 1 attempt. Let's see where you go with this one. Let's see if you actually do something with this one. This is a good session because usually my sessions are like riddled with problems, but I'm not seeing that right now. I love it. Not going to hold you, bro. We all having a bit of a good day. Easy, man. Easy. You are my printer. You are my printer today. It would make sense if I could just like easily find you, right? All right, come on. Don't make me look bad. All right, come on, baby. Fight back. Fight back. This little call. Ah, come on, easy. Yeah, I thought so. Yeah, I thought so. Yeah, I'm gonna take a hit with our little profits that we making today. All right, let's come here. Um, today's the 23rd. Review today's logs for by first time running and make sure there aren't any issues like the inside market conditions. No crapola. All right, while this is doing that, y'all just come here. Just keep an eye out on my bots real quick because it's compacting anyway. I'm gonna go grab some agua. I'll be right back. You've been holding this position for like 20 minutes, bro. That's what's up. I'm not gonna hold you because usually I'm in and out like under 5 minutes. I think you just and I've had that notion that I want to create a bot that like maybe could hold the position for like 10 minutes or whatever, but still if it goes against us to be able to still exit. But the fact that you're holding it for this long and you're still up, like when you bet right, you're right. Oh, easy got it. Damn. I didn't know easy was in a position. How many positions can you take? Normally it's just 3. fact that you're up, I'm not gonna hold you. I'm not gonna do your thing, fam. Do your thing. Let me just look at our trades real quick. Easy got in at 9:35, so I'm over an hour, almost two. Yeah, the fact that you're able to hold it for that long is like going counter against what I normally do, right? Because I'm in and out in under 5 minutes. But the fact that you can hold it like 2 hours, but again, like this is hand trading, right? So a little bit different. But the fact that you're able to like monitor it and also being able to find, how did you find it? Were you looking at the charts? It's like, all right, today's going to be a bearish day, or like what was your technical indicators that you use in order to find it? Okay. Bro, it's supposed to log everything. Oh, I just found an issue I need to fix, and I thought I addressed this already. I thought there's a problem, not necessarily a problem, but like a little bit of a minor issue. Now let me check how the bot connects the state call back to the structure logger. Okay. Yeah, because 9:35 is 10:46. I got that. But still, the fact that you're able to hold it for over 60, almost 70 minutes now, pushing 80. Important finding the okay. Just the market conditions not good, and okay, Trump cronies can only hold so long. So I just took the bet. Okay, that makes sense. Yeah, no, I definitely, maybe that'll be interesting to be able to just bet counter what they're doing. But again, still, I still love it. The fact that you're able to do a paper trade, excuse me, I'm saying paper trade, hand trade, excuse me. And the fact that it's still going well for you. And I'm assuming that you bought, well, like 10 contracts at $11 a piece. That's still a beautiful ride. Or 19 cents. That's still a beautiful ride, fam. All right, Range, talk to me nice. That was crazy. As soon as you get in, you get out. The market went against us. Okay. What did you find? You found a call. Let me go take a look at this. So I love that you don't chase. We like definitely something that I don't allow you to do is chase, fam. That's easy, right? I need to go look at how many trades you're allowed to take because I really think it's a little bit over and we're chasing right now. Damn, come on, easy. Yeah, and this is when I just cool you down. You took 9 trades, fam. Okay. I need to go look at why you, okay. You're not listening. Welcome to the party. Welcome to the party, HFT baby. Let's see how well this performs. Oh, come on. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. I'm not even gonna play with you. Ah, oh, free. Damn, we probably, damn. Massive slippage, fam. Massive slippage. I just learned a lesson, but that's okay. I need to go fix this thing. There is 2 issues that I need to go address. Let me just look at second chance. And this is the strategy. It trades. Okay, so I need to restart you. I'm just fixing the issue here, but I just needed to restart this bot. So what I just did, okay, perfect. Talk to me nice, Penny. Let's go, Penny, for you. And this is the strategy. It trades. Damn, this position is probably going to stomp out on us. Let me see. Damn, you're giving it a lot of room. Lotto, welcome to the party. I need to do, where's Lotto? There you go. Okay, currently up a bit. And the strategy that Lotto trades, of course you don't have it there. I'll fix that. Come on, baby. Come on with it. Just go ahead and make our Penny, you still in this position, bro? Okay. I'm driving a boat. Yeah, I had to drive the boat with that one. Can we close? Probably gonna get a better fill. I'm just waiting for this one to close. 300. Damn, I'm tempted to hold. No, for you're up 300%, bruv. Like, get your money and clear it. Guess what? You don't go broke doing taking a profit, but you go broke trying to squeeze as much out of it. You already have your lemonade, man. Just go put some ice in it and go enjoy. You have your lemonade, bruv. All right. You ain't even close the position. I need to look at you again, so I'm just gonna stop you. All right, so I fixed you. So let me just go ahead and restart you real quick. Gucci. All right. And I also love this whenever there's any untagged trades. That was penny, but I fixed it. Gonna close at 11, up 330, but I need to work. Bro, just go. I don't know what you're waiting for. I mean, I get it, but then it's like you're up. Go ahead and make your money and go. It seems like it's been a green day. I mean, it's been a mixed day. Like we had some bots that were 100%, then we had some bots that were kind of mixed as far as their performance or whatever. But today's just been some of it a mixed day. And like I'm done. Oh, you're looking for a I was about to say. I'm gonna take a peek at the market. Yeah, you haven't found your way back to the average yet. Like you've been sliding all day. Bam and QQQ, pretty much the same thing. Today's been a bearish day. Damn, I was gonna go get I was gonna go bet that it was gonna go rally back up, but I still think it can rally. Like it just hasn't found its average. It hasn't found back to its average. People are panicking right now. Major panic. Small range. Come on, baby. Talk to me nice. You got to make up. I'm going to drive the boat. Oh, trail activated, and I need you. Thank you for being able to do this all by yourself. I appreciate that. And this is how the trail is supposed to work. Trail is inactive, need 2.5. Okay, trail activated. And then where did we get out? We got out at 4%. So trail is activated at 7.4, and we got out at 4.9. So it's a 3 trail. I think I need to make that a little bit tighter. But you still were able to make a profit, so I can appreciate that. But I just need to make that trail a bit tighter. So 33% for this bot. That's what's up. Oh, it's 11. Are you still in it? 400% close. But TP at 250 each just in case. Bro, you're up. It's 11 o'clock. Are you still holding? Yeah, this buy. I mean, I get it. It hasn't found, I don't know, hasn't found any failed breakout yet. I kind of would have found a few. Yeah, today's a bearish, and VIX is at 21. That's crazy. 400% is crazy, fam. So I think at this point, just go ahead and take your money and yeah, stop you. Like another 10 minutes, all of our bots are going to be done. I mean, not so, but that's when things start winding down because I don't trade in the afternoon. It's in the morning, and I'm done trading by like 11, 11:30, 11:45. This is a bot I need to go look at. Even though 55% win rate, but you took damn near 9 trades, fam. If you would have took the number of trades that you're supposed to, then it would have been Gucci. But the fact that you took 9, I'm like, bruv. Lotto still working. I just looked at you. Let me go look at squeeze. I locked it in at 300% with a stop loss, but have a TP at 250 each, currently at 1. All right, so what's the end goal here? Okay, still. Damn it, bruv. Wait, are you still having that issue? Unknown keyword. Okay. Freaking hey. I'm at yeah, bro. I don't know what you're waiting for. Um, moving up the stop loss. I'll move that stop loss to like 400. I don't see the market turning, and especially going into lunch. Lunch is normally when it like starts to bleed anyway. Need to fix this. Ba-dum. Let's fix issue here. All right. You know what you need? Where are you? There you go. Are you waiting for 1,000%? Is that one of them? Are you just waiting for 1,000%? I really think you should get out. Because like where you got in, this is almost going on 2-hour hold. Lead for additional context. Then let's fix. I'm just fixing some code over here. Let's watch this bot and see how it performs. Let me read the orchestrator. Okay. These little issues just could be like driving. Okay. Bought at 19, sold at 140. Bought at 19 cents, sold at 140. That's a hell of a day. Um, Enjoy it and just being able to get in again maybe on Wednesday with the same capital. Now let me fix both. Okay. Yeah, that was a phenomenal trade, bro. And I would just replicate what you just did there and just consistently do it. And think about that. Like if you could teach a bot to do what you just did, oh, that'll be phenomenal. Okay, star baby, I need to fix you. Okay, beautiful. All right, this is the part where we're starting to wind down a bit. Like another, I want to say 5-10 minutes or so. Most of our bots are going to be done trading. Thank you. Thank you very much. So most of our bots are going to be done trading, and now we can start working on being able to post eval them. If not, I would have had probably still be in it. Yeah, no. One thing I love to keep telling myself, right, is you don't go broke taking a profit. Yes, it's like, okay, damn, can I make this go to the moon? And you kind of already did. I'm not going to hold you, fam, but one thing just to keep in mind, like you don't go broke taking a profit. So even if the profit, you're able to get a lot out of that. Even if the profit is like 10%, 5%, get your capital back and go redeploy it. And the fact that you're able to go from 19 cents to $140 is kind of crazy. Again, if you could teach a bot how to do that and replicate that consistently, that'll be something that's phenomenal. And just it doesn't have to be put plays; it can be a call play as well, right? Bi-directional. Maybe I'll create something like that. I don't know because that's interesting, fam. You bought something that's like super out of the money, and still were able to get in and hold it. But I think one thing is being able to give it enough room to breathe. So that whole time is going to be okay. Come here. That whole time is going to be key as well. Depends on your strategy. There is a better saying that says, "Score money doesn't." So scared money doesn't make money. Yes, but you operative word is the money part, right? You need to be able to have the capital to deploy the capital, right? So I get it, being able to make sure that all right, you know what, it only cost me 19 cents, right? So if anything, I'm just losing the 19 cents. But as soon as I saw it go over 100, maybe as soon as I saw it go over 75, 80, I probably would have been out. But that I hear you. You have a little bit more nerves of steel there. But I'm learning a lot. One thing that I did learn is that, contrary to popular belief, because with zero DTE, I give my bots 5 minutes. If you don't make a move in 5 minutes, you're out. Right. But I'm thinking about being able to create a strategy that maybe does what you just did, but also the whole time, maybe closer to like 30, 40, 44 minutes. Like that hour hold is going to be tough. Oh, you already done trading. So this bot I created yesterday with y'all hasn't found a trade yet, but that's okay. This is a failed breakout bot, and SPY has been a bit on a downward turn, right? So it hasn't really broken out anywhere. I'm not gonna hold you. If we just look at the market, SPY still hasn't found its way back to its 20-minute average, right? That's what this blue line is. You see this? It's just been on a downward decline, bro, ever since the market has been open. That's crazy. Gap down has just been downward from there. Same thing with QQQ, right? Gap down, and it's just been down from there. It did find its average, right? So it did find its 20-minute average. So it did find it, but then it reversed, and now it's just on that. It's trying to find it again, so maybe it is. It's at 599.80. That's crazy. I think now would be, because I had a play in mind. Shit, you can even go to like, the fact that you bought it like super out of the money and still I would say 607. Yeah, this is where I think that'll be an interesting one. Super out of the money back. I'm in this strat, and if I lose, I lose it all. But it's all in part of the strat. No, I hear you, fam. I hear you. And I think that is I mean, it is a great way because everybody has different tolerance levels, right? When it comes to being able to trade or invest, and you have to work based off your tolerance level and based off your how you basically see the market, right? Everybody has a different way to be able to understand how the market moves and how they want to be able to play it. So I get that. And I am totally like applaud you for being able to find it, hold firm, right? Even though it probably would have fluctuated a little bit, hold firm. You had your stop losses in play was tight, and the fact that you kept moving up that stop loss letting me know that you're keeping up with the position. So kudos to you on that bit there. Now it's just a matter of being able to replicate it. If you can replicate this, bro, you're printing money, especially if you're able to find super cheap zero DTE out of the money contracts like that and being able to ride it either on a bullish or bearish turn. That's replicatable, bro. I think that's something I'm going to like work on today because you gave me an idea, and I was like, okay, let me see if we can actually do something with it, and maybe I'll come and stream it live with y'all so you can see how I actually do it. But nonetheless, I am gearing down to being able to have most of our bots are going to be done trading like in another 5-10 minutes here. So I don't want to make this video super long, but we were able to see paper trading for our bots, and I've seen a lot of great things, and hopefully like I want to graduate. No, I'm not saying that it's going to work every day. That's what I'm saying. A bot, right? A bot is looking for these replicatable decision making functions, right? If you're telling a bot, but I get lucky a few times a month with it. No, definitely, definitely. I hear you. I'm not saying that this is something that's going to work every day because if anybody guarantees that, they don't know what they're talking about, right? What I am saying is that being able to replicate what you're doing in a bot, if you can replicate what you're doing in a bot and being able to give it rules that it can follow and adjust it accordingly, I think you have something great on your hands. But nonetheless, we are winding down a bit, and I am going to start cutting. I'm going to like pause the stream here, and then probably come back a little bit later with regards to a few other things that I have planned for y'all. And again, there's something else that I'm going to be like rolling out too, with regards to like projects and being able to get like different cool, like really innovative things done with y'all. Because I noticed before what I was trying to do is trying to get everything done in one stream or two streams, but I'm going to break this down, fam. Like we can actually start and finish something, and it's not something that's lingering. But nonetheless, it is your boy Creative. I really do appreciate y'all for sticking out with me this hour and a half, or being able to trade. I will catch y'all later, Pascal. I mean, keep it up. Let me know if you really do that bot, because I think that'll be something that'll be interesting, bro. But nonetheless, man, y'all continue to be great. If you haven't already, go ahead and smash that like and subscribe button. It's your boy Creative. I'll be back at it again with another episode. Pascal, make the bot.